Okay, so here what is given here to us? Sales from 5 lakhs, it's reducing to 4,72,500. You're getting a reduction of 27,500. Cost of goods sold from 3 lakh 50 increasing by 2,800. Gross profit, I have reduced sales minus cost of goods sold. I got gross profit. Sales minus gross profit minus cost of goods sold of 2002, I got the gross profit of 2002, and then the final change in the gross profit. So this analysis you have to do to find out what is the difference due to price, what is the difference due to quantity. In this, what is done, as I already told, cost price is reducing by 4%. So what you'll do, you'll take cost price, you'll apply on 2002 4%. Okay, it means what? This 3,52,800 is 96. How much should 2001 be? That way you'll do the reverse calculation. Find out the price factor change. With the help of the balancing amount, you'll find out the quantity factor change. Apply the quantity factor change on the sales. Then you will find out how much is the sales difference due to quantity factor. Then the balancing change, if any, is called as price factor. Did you all understand till here?
Yes, ma'am. But in below the arrow mark, we can't see that.
Okay,
Okay.
right. So this is what we are supposed to do now. So what is the first thing we will do now? First, cost price is reducing. So cost price reduction we have to show.
96%.
What to do? Can someone tell me what to do now when cost price factor has to be shown?
3,50,800 is 96%.
Very good.
So 100% will be
9600.
3,67,500.
Very good. So first I'm doing the cost factor now. So first I'm doing the cost factor. In the cost factor, price factor on cost of goods sold. Price factor on cost of goods sold. What is happening to the price factor? It's reducing by 4%.
4%.
Reducing by 4% means 2002, 3,52,800 is 96%. How much it should have been in 2001. So in 2001, your cost should be, how much did you say, Gulshan?
3,67,500.
3 lakhs
67,500.
67,500.
3 lakhs 67
1,500.
500. Okay, but what is it actually?
3,50,000.
3,50,000.
3 lakhs 50. So I told you one thing. If should is more, you say there is increase. If there is a
Increase.
plus answer, increase. A
17,500.
plus answer is increase. A minus
Increase.
answer is decrease.
Decrease.
Okay, so now this is a plus answer. Therefore, there is
Increase.
increase in quantity factor by
Factor.
17,500. Now what will you do? You will find out the percentage. What is the percentage change in quantity?
Quantity factor.
That
5%.
gives you 17,500 divided by
3,50,000
3,50,000.
into
100.
100. How much
5%.
percentage?
5%.
5%.
So 5% is the change in the quantity. Now what will you do? Where should you apply the change in the quantity now?
Quantity factor should be applied on sales.
ఏ అనిల్ నిద్రపోతున్నట్టుందబ్బా కొంచెం మంచిగా చెప్పు.
Quantity factor should be applied on sales,
Quantity
ma'am.
factor.
Okay, so quantity factor should be applied on sales. Now
Sales.
take sales which is there of 2002. How much is the increase in the sales in the quantity? 5%. Sales in 2002. How much is the amount in 2002? 4 lakhs 72. 500 is how much now? 105.
105.
Find out how much is 100.
100.
So in 2001 sales should be
4 lakh 50.
4 lakhs
50,000.
50.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
4 lakhs 50,000. Okay, but what is the actual sales?
5 lakh.
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs is the actual sales. Are you getting a minus for answer or a plus
Yes, ma'am.
answer?
Decrease.
Negative.
Minus.
Decrease.
Minus
Decrease.
how much? 50,000. So
Right.
what would you say? Selling price reducing
Decrease.
by 50,000. What is the percentage change now? Percentage
10%.
change. 50,000 divided by
Divided by
5
5
lakhs
lakhs.
into
10%.
100. 10%. Okay. So 10%
Yes.
is the change in sales. Till here, did you
Yes.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Quickly take it down.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah.
A change in price factor, na ma'am, last one?
Exactly. Percentage change in price factor
Price factor.
in sales. उमेश आज समझ में आ रहा कुछ? Over.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Aruna, over.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we are doing analysis of changes in gross profit. Okay, first I've taken now quantity factor. Quantity factor on what? On sales. How much is the sales of 2001? 5 lakhs. What is the percentage increase in the quantity? 5%. 5 lakhs into 5%, 25,000, and gross profit I'm putting it as 25,000. Okay, next. Now I'm taking quantity factor on cost of goods sold. 3,50,000 into 5%. That is giving how much? 17,500. So I am putting in gross profit 17,500. Now I am going to price factor. Price factor on what should I do? Now I should do on sales. There is a decrease in the price on 5 lakhs, 10%. How much is the decrease?
50.
5 lakhs only, na? 2001 sales.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, is it 5 lakhs?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So on 5 lakhs, we are doing 10%. 10% is coming to how much? 50,000. That's the reduction which is there in the sales. So you will write the reduction in the sales which are there because it's minus. You will have to minus it. Now do price factor on cost of goods sold. That is also reducing by 4%. How much is the cost factor of 2001? 3,40,50,000. What is the
14,000.
percentage decrease? 5%. How much is that coming to?
14,000.
14,000. Now you have to minus sales minus cost of goods sold. Na? It means cost of goods sold is to be deducted here. Deducted means now this is a reduction. Minus of minus is plus.
Plus.
So it will go 14,000 plus. Now you'll have to do quantity and price factor. Quantity and price factor first you'll do on sales. How much is the sales? 5 lakhs. What is the percentage change in quantity? 5%. What is the percentage change in sales? 10%. Keep in mind 10% is a reduction. So your final answer should be a reduction. How much is that coming to?
2,500.
2,500 is a reduction. So you will write 2,500. Then now you are going to the quantity price factor in cost of goods sold. How much is that? 3,50,000 into 5% quantity change, 4% price factor change. Again, price factor is a reduction. That is the reason that also would be a minus there. How much is that coming to?
2,000. 700, ma'am. 700.
700.
700.
Only 700.
700. If that is 700, this is a minus. Minus of minus is plus. So this would be a plus. So now complete your.
Total of sales is minus 27,500, ma'am.
Okay. So there is a reduction in the sales by 27,500.
100.
500. And COGS is plus 2,800.
So cost of goods sold is increasing by 2,800.
So total is 30,300.
Gross profit is 30,300. 300 is the gross profit change.
Loss.
Negative.
Gross loss.
Yeah. Reduction in the gross profit. You shouldn't say loss. You would say reduction in the gross profit. Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.